Na festa do fim de semana, só um rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto, passo bem solto.
His condition is critical. We must act fast. Oh no, my baby! He's stable for now.
The treatment worked. Your baby is out of danger.
Oh, thank goodness, I really want to save.
We're so happy. Thank you, doctor. Of course. After feeding, hold the kitten upright.
Like this?
Yes. Then gently pat the back spur. Time for a birth, little one.
I got it. Here we go.